Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY squishy. You'll need a bowl and a spoon, flour, any type of soap. I'm using conditioner, tape and scissors, and saran wrap. Food dye is optional, I just like a little color. First thing you need to do is get 5 to 6 spoonsful of flour. Then take your soap and put some in the flour. Hold up, it's not working. Now it's working. So you're gonna have to put a lot in there because this is gonna help it clump up. So that's enough. I'm adding blue food dye. It's optional. I just like it with a bit color. So some in there. It's enough. Now you're gonna mix it all up until it clumps up like this. I had to add more of the soap because it wasn't clumping. And if it's not clumping, just keep adding the soap. And if it's too sticky, just add more flour. Once you have clumps like this, you're gonna start kneading with your hands. So take off all the stuff that's on your spoon and start mixing it with one hand. You can use two if you want. So it's gonna start clumping like this. The dye hasn't fully mixed up yet, but it's gonna mix up. So just keep mixing the leftover flour that's in your bowl until it turns into like a dough-like texture. Once your dough is finished making and it's not sticky no more, you can throw the rest of this away and get a big piece of saran wrap so it's big enough for it to fit. You're going to want to put the dough right in the middle and close it up so it stays really good. So once it's in there, you're going to want to wrap it around like this. So like that. You're going to want to cut off the excess of the saran wrap and put tape over it so it's secure. And yeah, so that's how you make a DIY squishy out of just flour and soap. Bye.